Hello folks, in this video I want to show how you can pass URL parameters using Go language and Beego. So I have very simple application with two files, main.go and ping.go. In ping.go I have a type which is controller, embeds web.controller from Beego. And it has a method which is getMessage. This method expects a parameter in the URL, which we will set up in a second. And it receives this parameter, generates another response object, which is very simple struct here, ping pong struct. And as a result, we return this JSON, serve it as a JSON. And in main.go, I have this configuration, which is mapped to ping / this message. And we say what we need to do here is we say that this is a ping pong controller. Type is a HTTP method is get, and we will use get message from this controller. So if I go here, so this is basically our router configuration. And let's see how this works. So if I say I have hello, ping hello, I will receive this message. We can change it, for example, hello to. So we will receive a similar response with our input message.